2023 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the weekend. I know we've all got to stay indoors this weekend. Can't be out through the usual festivities, but the weather is still going to be nice. You can get out and work in the yard. Again, I see plenty of sunshine as you go through the day tomorrow. Let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture. Clouds out over towards the west and the north. Winds continuing to come in from the south here, and that'll be pretty breezy through the day tomorrow. See those winds coming in at about 10-15 miles an hour. You've got a front and a low that's starting to take shape out over towards the west. Give it another day before it reaches us. Late Saturday night, we'll see some of those showers swinging across the area. Again, winds are going to start to come in from the south. Fairly breezy out there through the day tomorrow. 10-15 mile an hour winds expected. We're going to get some clouds to arrive late tonight. They'll stick around into early tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock. You can see the cloud cover out there. Does break up though, and we'll get some sunshine through the middle of the day. Sunshine continues up until the evening, and that's when we get the next round of clouds to arrive. And if you look out over towards the west at about 5 o'clock tomorrow, you'll notice showers ongoing just west of Beaumont, so getting into East Texas. This front will then push through. We'll continue to see the clouds thicken. This takes us to 10 o'clock at night. A couple storms out over through northern parts of Louisiana, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get a couple thunderstorms here either. We'll see the front swing through late Saturday, early Sunday. This is right around 2 a.m. A couple of thunderstorms embedded in that. We'll go with a 40-50% chance. I don't think it'll be a solid line. I think it'll be fairly scattered, and all of that rainfall is going to be coming to an end by the time we get to Sunday morning. In fact, Sunday should stay fairly quiet. We'll get some clouds to stick around, maybe a little bit harder to see the sunshine on Sunday. I still think we get some patches of it. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler, not by a whole lot though, and then as we approach Monday, we're getting ready for the next system to roll through. So that's this system here. We've got two different low pressure systems that are out there, and these are all upper level lows. This isn't anything that's rooted down in the surface, which can make them tricky to forecast. You've got this one out over in Nevada right now that is going to work its way through the area Saturday. Then you've got this one that's coming up on the California coastline, and that one is going to be impacting us a little later on in the forecast time period. So the front works its way through late Saturday, right as this second low pushes on shore out over towards San Francisco. We'll stop this right around Monday morning. We get a fairly quiet start to the day, but as this trough makes its way across the area, we'll start to get churned up a little bit by late Monday, and then the front pushes through the area by the time we get into early Tuesday morning. Showers, thunderstorms with us through the day on Tuesday. Front clears down to the region. We'll get winds to come in from the north, and we'll get high pressure to dominate the forecast. It's going to be a little bit cooler going into next week. In the meantime, we are very, very warm. 72 degrees for your low. Winds from the south at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. 85 degrees here for your high tomorrow. Rain chances will go from 20% to 50% overnight, then sitting at about 30 for early Sunday morning. The best chance for rain, though, is going to be on Tuesday. Temperatures are going to be in the 80s here through the first part of next week. Then they drop off quite a bit, so we'll be sitting in the mid and upper 70s through the end of next week. And the good news is that with these showers, it'll get the pollen to settle down a little bit, so our allergies can finally take a bit of a break.
That's definitely a benefit. Thanks, Daniel.